to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for chocolate chip brownies. These make the brownies really fudgy and delicious, so let's get started.
First of all, our ingredients. We need 3/4 cup or 185 grams of melted butter, 1½ cups or 300 grams of sugar, 3 eggs, 1½ teaspoons vanilla extract or 1½ tablespoons vanilla sugar, ½ a teaspoon baking powder, ½ a teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup or 90 grams of flour, ½ a cup or 50 grams of cocoa powder, 1 cup or 150 grams of chocolate chips. In a large mixing bowl, combine flour, cocoa powder, sugar, salt, and baking powder. Stir in melted butter, eggs, and vanilla. Stir in chocolate chips. Pour a batter into greased casserole dish. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. These brownies are soft and fudgy and delicious, perfect for the fan of brownies. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.